And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't believe the reason right.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. I like that, was it Megadeth song? Hello me, it's me again. Anyway, picked up this thing, got it off a friend of mine who got sold this to me. Don't know how old it is, but I'm going to do a before video, and I'm going to do an after video. I'm just going to clean up on the buffer. I'm still going to try to, I might buy a handle because I got time to make the handle. I'm going to clean it up on my buffer, but I'm going to skip the whole buffing wheel thing. I'm just going to show you the before and after video, because that's more fun. So, what is it? In the meantime, check out some of the, well, actually not in the meantime, I'm just going to clip this together. So, in the meantime, stay tuned, and there'll be another attachment attached to this video. So, hold your honkers. Uh-oh. It's recording. There you go. You weirdo. Hello YouTube, it's me again. This is the second half of the polishing video. It's still got minor scratches I want to get out of, but for love of steel, it's pretty damn good. It's still pretty hot. It's got minor scratching, and I'm not sure how to get that out of there, but not bad for before and after, which I'm burning my hand here. It's freaking hot from the buffer, but yeah, take a look at that. I didn't think you wanted to see 20 minutes of buffing. It's got a little bit of scratching in there, and I'm thinking maybe some sandpaper, electric sander, sand over it, real nice. This side's got a, I don't know if you could see it, but it's got a little bit of like scratches, but other than that, it's like huge difference. As soon as it cools off, I'm gonna, how do you call it, finish the other side. But I'm gonna try to get it, I want it like a mirror finish. I want to do at least one thing that looks absolutely awesome. Anyway, thanks for subscribing. Check out the folks below in my channel, and if you're new to my channel, hope you join and have some fun and watch what I'm doing. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Hello YouTube. Remember that crazy chisel I was playing around with? Well, this is what I did to it. It's kind of shiny. It's a little better. Took the handle off here, which, yeah, well, it doesn't want to come out. So anyway, look at it now. Looks like it's made of chrome. I polished it. First time I ever polished something really this fine. What I did was there was a lot of heavy scratching in it, so I sanded it down with, was it a 220 sandpaper? Then I went to 320, then I went to 400, then I buffed it, and damn, is it smooth. It's got some fine little, you know, scuff marks, but it looks a hell of a lot better than the last one, the way it looked. And basically I've been buffing, like I buffed this one, and then I did this one last time. This one I didn't do it as good. I didn't sand it down, I just buffed it. I left a lot of the pitting in that one. I have another one in my car too, which that's what you call it, playing around with. And that one too, I buffed it. I found out this one here is really old. The one in my car, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, no, the one in my car is about 100 years old. This one is got to be 60 or 70 years old. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do with these, but you know, it's fun cleaning them up. This is a doozy though, man. Like, look at this thing. I don't even think I own a chisel this big, but damn, it's nice. Anyway, thanks for watching. Check out the folks I have listed in the bottom, and check out the rest of my videos. I have tons of them. Thanks for watching, and have a great whatever weekend, week A.